The Supreme Court on Friday refused to entertain a petition alleging technical and structural deficiencies in the Unified Waqf Management, Empowerment, Efficiency and Development Umeed portal. The Apex Court observed that the issues raised were largely administrative in nature and said such grievances should be addressed before the appropriate authorities. However, the court granted liberty to the petitioner, Hasmat Ali, a Waqf Mutawalli from Madhya Pradesh, to seek readdressal through relevant administrative channels. The petitioner had challenged the enforceability of mandatory digital uploading of Waqf properties, alleging that the Umeed portal was structurally deficient and did not provide a separate option for Waqf by survey in its menu. The Supreme Court also noted that it had earlier refused to extend the deadline for mandatory registration of Waqf properties under the portal. The bench further observed the challenges to the 2025 amendments to the Waqf Act are already pending before the top court. With this, the Supreme Court declined to intervene in the matter at this stage.